have to say about that?
Huh? You got a couple?
Got it.
Clearly, I realized that a little late.
Here you go. I can keep catching.
Anybody need water?
Very pumped up football.
It is pumped.
There you go. So how are we doing so far today?
Well, 2 dives. We got enough scallops to go home and eat. I'll tell you that.
How's your first day scalloping?
Good. Look at the babies.
Little babies? Actually, we don't want the babies. We want the big boys. What do you have to say about scalloping?
I love it.
There you go. Oh, let's see them.
2 bags.
2 bags. Not 1, 2 bags.
There it goes. Oh, I like the see in the camera.
Of 16-ounce Bud Lights, I don't think anyone's drank 1 yet.
I bought 12 Trulies and 12 High Lifes for him, and I was looking for ranch waters for you, but I went to 2 stores and I couldn't find it.
Stage right.
Here at the Three Sisters Springs, Crystal River, chilling like a villain. About Crystal River, Mom.
Always a great time in Crystal River, especially when it doesn't rain.
Dad, what do you have to say to your millions of fans and followers?
Wow, I have that many fans and followers. I say
A saw, dude? Hey, what cuts wood?
a saw.
A saw, dude.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
Sometimes.
That's not awesome.
Small team. Yeah. I would just not do that.
Because it's 2 straight down.
I don't know, I'd probably go down and do 2 to the side.
Oh, 2 to the side?
Probably.
I wonder why that is, why you can't go back.
Because
It's just so many. It would be. There'd be so many. It would just be shells. It'd probably start.
But we're gonna auction. You're gonna get a bag. You'll get a bag. Your parents get a bag.
I'm getting a bag.
What are you getting?
Fresh
Money
food.
bag.
It's so weird because you can see yourself on screen, and I look like that. I don't look like that. Like drunk as fuck. It's like what? Bro, let me know.
Hey, you wanna do us a favor? Just scoop a bunch of that ice into that bucket.
Watch this. Boom. Oh.
You miss one every time I do this. Up for the camera. Let's see what everyone looks like for dinner. Cayman t-shirt, strong and hungry. Strong and hungry. Erica,
there they are.
looking good in a dress. Kyle Lorick, t-shirt,
Black.
black. Matt Keyes, t-shirt. Jeff, t-shirt. Fishing shirt, dress. The ladies are all looking good.
Hello, I've arrived. Okay, so I can
Not t-shirt. Let's see what's going on with this table.
Yeah, I can't see you, dude.
It's all good.
Couple burgers.
We're hungry and ready to eat.
We're getting GoPro footage of the dinner this time. We didn't get that last time, but we're getting it this time. Let's see your funny faces, Cayman and Garza. Do it.
See, Mom wasn't.
Hopefully the lemon sauce is not weak. The lemon, it doesn't look like.
What do you have to say about this?
It was a pretty interesting scallop dinner. Thank you for inviting me.